rope's in the wrong spot. She'll come out.
Yeah, I hope so. Yeah. That rope's gonna...
Oh, yeah!
I told you to hot. Look, there goes that bungee cord.
Yeah, it's on fire, guys. It doesn't work good. Fucking thing.
Tie it to the fucking front where I said in the first place.
No, he's
Right, you only got so much time.
He's gonna blow up. He's gonna be dead. What are we gonna say?
Oh, we killed Cody because we were burning a fucking monster truck.
Hi, light the seat, light the seat.
No, it'll go
It'll go.
when it rocks up.
Yeah.
Go!
He started a fucking forest fire. I'm gonna cry a little bit.
Not me.
Oh, I think we were born ready, tell you the truth. Cody, get on here some more.
Yeah,
it is going inside the car. I hope you'll take me this close to it.
Right there, whoa, whoa!
I don't even know if I was pointing at it.
It blew up.
Look at the carburetor. Oh, fuck. That's fucking funny. Holy fuck.